Hi, my name is Josephine Chase, and I have chose two images for you to review for your anti-prejudice campaign. I will discuss cultural familiarity, semiotics, and emotional appeal. According to Robin Landa, cultural familiarity uses visual images to send the proper perceptual visions viewers want to see and stick with what seems familiar to each country. I chose the first picture in order to appeal to the United States. I believe this picture illustrates caring, loving children who know no color. As Americans, we tend to have compassion for the youth. In the second picture, the Indian girl is smiling. She approves of the anti-prejudice campaign. Maybe the children and the adults will follow her good example. Semiotics. According to Kate Smith, this is the meaning of the study of signs and symbols and their use of interpretation. The use of interpretation in the first pic is love and harmony, and can interpret this by the children hugging. They know no color. In picture number 2, the use of interpretation is being happy, smiling and laughing. This looks like an anti-prejudice campaign. Emotional appeal. Emotional appeal is a strong component of persuasion. According to Robin Landa, she states that this engages the viewers and enables them to remember the message more readily. The first picture uses this technique by using the children to show love and that it knows no color. They are hugging and showing love. In picture number 2, the Indian girl is smiling while painting with the American children. I believe this shows peace and love for all humans regardless of race. Robin Landa also states that using visual elements to persuade the audience by power of sadness or happiness to appeal to our target audience. I chose the first picture because the children's eyes say it all. They look a little sad and appear to be crying out for help. I chose picture number 2 because the Indian girl is smiling while painting with Americans. This shows she is happy and happiness knows no color. Thank you for your careful consideration of these two pictures for your anti-prejudice campaign.